everyone, and welcome back to the English Lab podcast, the podcast where we experiment with words and expressions so that you can learn, communicate, and flourish. My name is Mariana. I'm an English teacher and the host of this podcast. Today's episode is inspired by an intriguing moment in class. A student said, "I'm out of energy." It sounds logical, right? But in English, that's not what we normally say. So what is the difference between out of energy and out of power? Let's find out. Welcome to the fourth episode of the English Lab podcast, Out of Energy or Out of Power. Let's begin by checking the meaning of these expressions, out of energy versus out of power. So we use out of energy to talk about people or animals when they are tired or exhausted. On the other hand, we use out of power to talk about machines or electronics when they have no electricity or no battery left. And there are other common chunks with the word power that you will hear all the time. Let's go through 4 of them. So here are some examples and further explanation. For example, number 1, after the exam, I was completely out of energy. So this means that this is a person who feels tired and drained after taking an exam. Second example, my laptop is out of power. I need a charger. So this is about a machine with no battery at all. Example number 3, during the storm, the power went out. So this means there was a blackout, no electricity in the area. And fourth example, the engineers worked quickly to restore the power. So this means electricity came back after being cut. So now that we have checked the main difference between out of energy versus out of power, we're going to dive into some very common chunks and collocations related to electricity. Let's check it out. Number 1, power outage. There was a power outage last night and the whole city was dark. So a power outage means there was a blackout. Next, cut the power. The technicians cut the power to fix the line. So if the power was cut, this means someone intentionally interrupted the power in order to fix the line. Got it? Next, lose power. The plane lost power in one engine. So to lose power means to stop working. Big problem, huh? Next, power supply. We need a stable power supply for this computer. So you need a source of power, a stable power supply for the device. Got it? Next, a power surge. A power surge damaged my TV. So a power surge is a sudden increase in voltage that can damage or disable our electronics and appliances. Not a very nice thing to happen, huh? Next, full power. The machine is running at full power, so using its best in order to work. Next, and last, low power mode. This one is quite common and used broadly. My phone switched to low power mode. So you're not using all the power you have, you're just trying to stay on. So now we start our mini practice. I'll give a situation and you decide which chunk fits best. So situation number 1, you studied all night and now you can't keep your eyes open. What is the most suitable chunk to be used in this case? You would say you are out of energy. You studied throughout the whole night. You burned the midnight oil, so now you're out of energy, exhausted. Got it? Number 2, your phone battery died in the middle of the day. Which collocation should we use in this case? Yes, your phone battery is out of power. It's not working. It is dead. Number 3, a thunderstorm caused all the lights in the neighborhood to switch off. Which collocation fits best? Power go out or power outage? So the thunderstorm caused all the lights to switch off. It caused a power outage, or you can say the power went out because of the thunderstorm. Got it? And number 4, and final example for us to practice, the city's electricity service fixed the problem and the lights are back. So how do you say that the lights are back using one of the collocations we learned? To restore power. The city electricity service fixed the problem and restored power. Nice? So remember, people run out of energy, machines run out of power, and when we talk about electricity, we have lots of useful chunks like power outage, power went out, and restore power. Keep your devices charged and your energy high so we can keep learning together. Thanks for tuning in into the English Lab. I'm Mariana and I'll see you in the next episode.